Hi everyone. Today we have a different type of video than the ones that you're used to. Today we have an unboxing slash review type video. As you can see, I'm rocking the Repair Clock t-shirt from Union Repair. They've sent me some products to have a look, to use, to review. And in this review or this unboxing will be honest, it's not biased, they didn't pay me anything, they just simply sent me the products to have a look. And with the products that I've already opened, I must say that I'm quite happy. One of the products that they've sent me, and I'll show you now, is this Android series dedicated power cable. Okay, so at the end it has a lot of connectors for Android phones, and on this one you can plug it into your power supply. Now I've used this one. This is the only one that I've unboxed previous to this video, and I'm not going to dwell too much on it because, to be honest, so far I've only been able to use it maybe once, and that was to charge a battery. The main reason for that is the fact that the connectors themselves are either too big in terms of, the square itself is too big. So if you have a small connector like a Samsung or let's say a Sony, it might not fit well onto the board, so you'll end up having to hold it pressed down. But apart from this, the rest you will see in the video, my impressions and how I feel about the rest of the products. So I'm going to start this review with the screwdrivers from Union Repair. These are the two UUL screwdrivers, and they are the ones that I have are for the iPhone specifically. So we have the standoff, we have the triangle, we have the pentalobe, and we have the Phillips. Now, these are extremely nice screwdrivers. Before these, I used to use the iFixit screwdrivers with the replacement head bits. Nice screwdrivers, those ones from iFixit. The only problem is that they're sort of bulky. Let me grab one so you can see in comparison. So this would be an iFixit screwdriver, this would be a Union Repair screwdriver from 2UUL. So nice screwdriver nonetheless. The only problem is that sometimes you can get, it's pretty bulky, and you can see here I've already scraped the screwdriver a few times in opening things. Okay, so I've been using these screwdrivers alone for iPhone repairs and for Samsung repairs and for other mobile phone repairs, iPads, so on and so forth. And I absolutely never had this issue where it was scraping on the surface. So the screwdriver still looks absolutely mint. The main thing that I love about these screwdrivers is this big mushroom head here. In terms of ergonomics, the way when I unscrew things and the way I hold my screwdriver is either like this or like this, but most of the time it's like this or like this. So when I unscrew things, it's very easy because the head is quite big, so it nicely fits into the hand. The other thing is, I don't know what materials they used for the heads. They didn't fail to unscrew anything, not even one single time. So that speaks volumes about the materials that they've used for the screwdrivers themselves. The only thing that you do need to know probably is, compared to the iFixit screwdrivers, which have a magnet inside of them, and it's quite strong and it never fails, these ones don't have a magnet inside of them, not that I'm aware of. But I'm using a magnetizing tool for this, for whenever they are losing magnet power. The other thing that I love about them is the way they bite into the screw. So when you have your screwdriver in the screw and you unscrew it, it's never going to skip. It's never going to damage the screwdriver or the screw itself, unless the screw is already damaged. So that being said, I highly recommend them. They're not expensive, they're very nice, and yeah, I quite like them. Move these aside. And the other thing that they've sent me is the iBoot box, Intelligent Digital Control Power Boot Kits. I didn't open this box yet, so it's gonna be like an unboxing video in a way. So let's see what's inside. So we have the power boot wire, the Intelligent Digital Control Power Boot box. So let's see what's here. We have like a manual. Let's see if we have English as well. Repair instructions. Yes, we have English as well. And we have a warranty card. Okay, this is nicely presented. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the box. It's nice and heavy. Okay, so straight out of the box, what I like about it is the fact that it has this sort of hook holder, so you can attach it or hang it on somewhere, on a screw or something. The ones that I've had previously don't have these sort of features, so I always had to tape them on something. Okay, so this is the box. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ports. Blue and gold, or blue and yellow, the mechanic colors. Power boot wire. Let's see what we have inside here. They're nice and strong and thick. This is a really nice thing to have. So we have the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Let's see what else we have here. XS Max and XR. Eight Plus, 6S, 6X Plus. Yeah, nice. We have a micro USB cable along with positive negative terminals, but it is a micro USB. And that's about it. No 6 series. Oh yeah, we do have the 6 as well. So the 6 and the 6 Plus. The quality is quite nice, I must say. So straight out of the box, the quality is nice. Now, as you probably know, if you have power boxes like these, whether it's the iPower Max, whether it's something else, what breaks most often are the connectors from the flex cable. So this is a product that will have to be, we will have to look at it probably in the next weeks or months and see how well the connectors last. In terms of the box, I'm actually curious to see how it looks powered on. So yeah, it's a nice box, but like I said, it remains to stand the test of time and see how long it lasts before connectors from the cable itself break. And the third and final thing that we have is the Wiley. It's supposed to be an Android type power box like we have on the iPhones. Didn't open this box as well, so we're going to see what's inside. Let's see. battery data simulation, digital current, universal Android, wiring free. Okay. Support mobile phones, Huawei, Mi, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung. So 5 volts, 19 volts, 4 volts. Okay. So inside the box we have a bag. And inside the bag we have a ton of loose connectors. And we have heat shrink wrap as well. Okay, this is the box. Nice and small. 4 USB ports. Again, I want to see it powered and gone. There we are. And that's about it with the box. More connectors. Now, if you remember, it said on the box wiring free. Now, as you can see here, there's no connectors here, like there's no connectors on any of them. Maybe something got lost in translation, but for me, wiring free means you take it out of the box, you plug it in, and it works. I don't mind the fact that they come like this. The iPower Max box for the iPhones come like this as well, and I don't mind that because that means that I can use my own solder and solder them so that they will stay there forever. I've had numerous products in the past that came already pre-soldered, and almost every single time I had to resolder them myself. Apart from this, the cables, like on the Mechanic, they're really nice and heavy. You also have a cable, let's see, yeah, for positive and negative if you want to charge something externally. Nice as well. So yeah, overall nice products, and even the t-shirt that I got, it's really nice quality. So hope you enjoyed what you've seen. These are the products that they've sent me. I may have to make a video where I will show how to solder those connectors onto that Android box. But yeah, so impressions, I quite like the Mechanic box. I'm looking very forward to using it. I hope those connectors will last very long, because so far, as you've seen in the video, they are slightly smaller, and they're not that bulky as let's say the IMAX cables, where you just have an L-shaped. These ones are actually, the ones from Mechanic are shaped to the connector of the phone. Let's see here. So they're slightly nicer, and you also have this here that you can pull them from. So hopefully they're going to last very long. Like I said in the description, they have to stand the test of time. The screwdrivers, I highly recommend them. The Mechanic box, I quite like the way it looks, and we'll see how it stands, how it lasts. I've been Michael from iTechRepairs. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.